Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make hospital wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Bulb 1, 2, 3, 4 and bulb 5. Switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and switch 6. Phase connection to switch 1. Phase connection from switch 1 and 2. Phase connection between switch 2 and switch 3. Phase connection between switch 3 and switch 4. Phase connection between switch 4 and switch 5. Again phase connection between switch 5 and switch 6. Phase connection outgoing from switch 6 common terminal to bulb 5. Phase connection from switch 5 common terminal to bulb 4. Phase connection outgoing from switch common terminal to bulb 3. Phase connection outgoing from switch 3 to bulb 2. Phase connection outgoing from switch 2 to bulb 1. Neutral connection to all load bulb 1, 2, 3, 4 and bulb 5. Now this circuit is ready for use. Viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.